Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Priti Patel and Boris Johnson's what they did during Euros. Let's discuss this video in detail. But before going to detail, I wanna say if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Let's get started. Priti Patel and Boris Johnson gave the note to racist during the Euros. Taking the knee should be a fixture at every football match because we see clearly now how football can become a hub and a channel for racism. It's all heartbreak for England this morning, as well it might be. What's much more heartbreaking than a draw with a fine Italian side? For that is the actual result is the racism directed at England black players. For them, the trauma of in their minds letting their teammates down and letting their country down is made that much more unbearable by being told, well, you can imagine what they are being told via social media. Their hearts are broken, they don't deserve it, and anyone observing what is happening right now should have their hearts broken too. If there was any doubt that taking the knee was needed, it has not now been swept away. Twitter is not Britain, but there is enough racism on there to suggest that all is not well, and that racial justice is some way distant still. Taking the knee should be a fixture at every football match because we see clearly now how football can become a hub and a channel for racism, as it has been since the 1970s when the first pioneering black player began to appear. Things haven't improved as we would like to imagine. Indeed, given what it says about wider society too, taking the knee should be extended entirely voluntarily to all manners of public gathering, political meetings, social events, and so on. It should be adopted by reality and is parliament and nationally as a part of our way of life. It is said to be divisive, and it is, but only because too many people think that racism doesn't matter that much or that it's just another legitimate point of view, like wanting to nationalize the railways. Wrong. Racism is violence, and we are all against that. What's also heartbreaking and has been for some weeks is the behavior of the likes of Priti Patel and Boris Johnson, who gave the note to racist. Not surprising, but still shameful. Why do they even now still refuse to attack the racists for booing player and officials for taking the knee? Why did they defend the fans for booing the gesture? Why did they deride it as gesture politics? What was Jobish behavior at football matches got to do with free speeches? Patel and Johnson didn't have to absolve themselves of their responsibilities as leaders. They could have suggested, as Sajid Javed and Nadim Zahawi did to their credit, that dissenting fans just stand in silence, just as you might listen to someone else's reasoned argument in a debate. Why did booing at taking the knee become the great totem of free speech in Britain? It is worrying because free speech is a cause that is being debased by people who just want to be able to voice race and religious hate, to wind up minority groups and verbally abuse them. The trouble has been coming for some time now, for months long before the Euros tournament even kicked off. The likes of Nigel Farage, Boris Johnson, and their allies studiously refused to criticize the football fans who booed when team took the knee against racism and for racial justice, including the Black Lives Matter movement. Dominic ridiculed it but also made a fool of himself by suggesting it had something to do with Game of Thrones. Lots of them said they would only take the knee for the Queen, and the police who did so at demonstration were criticized for the submissive racial gesture. When it is nothing of the sort, it is gesture of support for racial justice. Somehow that is never acknowledged. The taking of the knee, a small act of solidarity against racism, and the BLM protests were twisted and lied about and used as yet another weapon in the culture wars. Taking the knee was equated with Marxism, whatever that was supposed to mean. Mobs and street violence, it wasn't and isn't any such thing. It is a quiet moment of reception and silence, a reminder to us of what we need to do to build a better society. But it is suited politicians such as Johnson, Patel, Farage, and some easily led Tory backbenchers to pretend that Raheem Sterling was the new Trotsky and that Gareth Southgate an agent of deep woke